If you need to reset DNS in GoDaddy, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get your domain back on GoDaddy name servers so you can restore your DNS settings safely and without confusion. This is especially useful if you recently changed name servers, connected your domain to another service, or just want to put everything back to the default GoDaddy setup. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this. It really helps support the channel, and it means you won't miss the next guide. Alright, let's start. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the account that actually owns the domain you want to change. If you manage multiple domains, this first step is important because you need to be in the correct account before making any DNS changes. Once you're signed in, look for My Products and click on it. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your registered domains and other services. From there, scroll down until you see the Domain section. Find the exact domain you want to reset DNS for. Take a second to double-check the spelling, especially if you have more than one similar domain name. After you find your domain, click DNS. This opens the DNS management area for that domain, where you can control records, name servers, and other domain settings. If your goal is to reset the DNS back to GoDaddy, you're in the right place now. Next, go to the Nameservers tab. This tab controls which name servers your domain is using. If your domain is currently pointed to another provider, that's usually why your website or email may be using different DNS settings. Here, you'll want to click Change Name Servers. When the name server options appear, toggle the GoDaddy name servers option. This tells GoDaddy that you want to use their default name server setup instead of a custom or third-party one. In many cases, this is the key step that effectively resets the DNS routing for the domain back to GoDaddy management. Before saving, take one more moment to make sure you selected the correct name server option. If you have a website, email service, or any custom records connected to your domain, changing name servers can affect how those services work, so it's always smart to confirm you really want GoDaddy name servers enabled before continuing. Once everything looks correct, click Save. GoDaddy will apply the change and your name server update will begin processing. In some cases, DNS changes can happen fairly quickly, but in other situations, it may take some time to fully update across the internet. That delay is normal, so don't worry if you don't see the changes reflected instantly. And that's it. You've now reset DNS in GoDaddy by switching your domain back to GoDaddy name servers. If your goal was to restore default DNS management, that's the exact process you needed. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more clear tech guides, website help, and easy walkthroughs. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to reset individual DNS records in GoDaddy or how to point a GoDaddy domain to another host. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.